So we've got a bit of another winter storm we're moving through. Oh my goodness. So as a result, we're closing the church building early today. So I'm heading home. It is coming down pretty good right now. We're getting a hefty amount of snow. So I think I'm gonna, if I can get my windshield cleared off, seems to be a recurring theme this week, I'm gonna use this windshield mount to set up this DJI film on the road as I drive home today. Ooh, okay, gotta get the windshield clear. Out into the winter storm to go to a movie. Let's go freeze our butts off. Look who we ran into. Now you guys can be in today's vlog. First time.
Two hours later.
So we both like the movie. Highly recommend it.
Yep.
The upside?
Yep.
The upside. And it's snowing again.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go home.
Okay.
And get out of the snow. Alright, it's going to do it for today. See you tomorrow.